Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you're opening any office app on your PC, Windows 11, Word, Excel, PowerPoint or any other office app. So at that time you are facing getting this type of irritating error. The application was unable to start correctly and the error code is this, as you can see guys in my screen. So if you are also facing this type of error, so watch this video till and very carefully, don't miss any option, any method. Okay, so let's get started. So first basic thing is this guys, you need to open the office app in the administrator mode. So just right click on your office app and simply click on run as administrator. Okay, so it will open the app in the administrator. Okay, now let's see it will fix your problem or not. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Restart your PC one time. After restarting, once again try to open the app. Hopefully this way helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to repair the office. Okay, to repair the office you need to open the control panel. Okay, like this. In the control panel, go to uninstall program. From here you need to select Microsoft Office. Just select it. You don't need to uninstall, just you need to repair this. So just click on change, click on S like this. Now it will show you the option like this. You need to select the repair. From here just click on continue. So it will take some time, so just follow the on-screen procedure carefully and then complete the repairing process. Okay, after this guys, hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Okay, still guys, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. You need to open the services on your PC, press Windows key button and then here you need to search services and open it. In this services guys, you need to find out Microsoft Office click to run service. If the service is showing here, so just right click on that service. Here you can get the restart option. Okay, so just restart it. After restarting, restart your PC as well as, and then open your office app. It will fix your problem. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, so last and final solution is this guys. Now you need to reinstall the Microsoft Office on your PC. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.